Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Munafa. My name is Pradyumna and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will tell you that what will be the impact on Indian economy if $1 goes equal to 1 Indian rupee. Before that, let me tell you that Indian rupee, which is INR, was first introduced in 1947, and in August 1947, 1 Indian rupee was equal to 1 US dollar, and at that time the international borrowings for India was zero. Since then, Indian rupee has experienced multiple devaluations and fluctuation in its value against US dollars. And currently $1's value in Indian rupee is 82.5 rupees. We have been watching our politicians who always claimed that if they would get into the governance, they will increase the value of Indian rupee in comparison to US dollars. But it never happened. In this video, we will try to know that do we really need our currency to be equal to US dollars, and what are the key reasons behind the devaluation of Indian rupee since it was introduced. But before that, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's get started. Before moving ahead, let's try to understand that why the value of Indian rupee has fallen in comparison to US dollars. And here is our first reason. After 1950, there were many steps taken by the Indian government to develop the country. And for those developments, the government had to borrow loans from abroad. Later, due to some uncertain occasions like Indo-China War or Indo-Pakistan War, the Indian government somehow was failing to pay its loans. And the only option what Indian government had to devalue its currency and print more money to pay those loans. This is because if there is more money is printed by the government, there would be more money supply in the country, and therefore the value of that particular currency will decrease in comparison to other currencies. For example, suppose at the time of independence, India and US had same number of currencies, let's say 100 each, and the exchange rate was 1:1, as 1 Indian rupee was equal to 1 US dollar. Later, when Indian government printed more money, the number of currencies for India increased. Let's say the Indian government printed 100 more currencies, and now the total currency for India becomes 200, and the number of currency for US remains same. With this, the exchange rate between Indian rupee and US dollars becomes 2:1, means now the value of 2 Indian rupees is equal to 1 US dollar. Later in 1993, Indian government adopted flexible exchange rate, which means now the value of the currency will increase or decrease according to the demand and supply of that currency. Hence, the another reason of devaluation of Indian rupee in comparison to US dollar was that while India was struggling, US was already a well-developed country. Hence, US could focus on building more infrastructures, working professionals and technology. So with this, US had more services to provide in the world. And for those services, US will take the payments into US dollars only. And now to get those services or invest into US based companies, other countries will have to exchange their currencies with US dollars. And now the demand for US dollars increases. And this is why due to high demand of US dollars, its value is also higher in comparison to Indian rupee. Now let's talk about what will happen if US dollars goes equal to Indian rupee again. Your vacation trips to Europe will become as cheaper as spending your vacations in Bhutan. Also, studies from abroad for your children would become cheaper. India's per capita income would be raised, like if a person is getting 10,000 rupees a month, will start getting approximately 80,000 rupees a month. Also, the imports for the country would be cheaper, which will help to reduce the trade deficit for the country. It will also help to control the inflation, which is a persistent problem in the country for many years. And all the luxury items like iPhone or luxury cars would also become cheaper. And after hearing all this, you must have started thinking that life would be no less than a heaven if $1 goes equal to 1 Indian rupee. But wait for the reality. The US runs a significant trade deficit with India, which means importing far more goods from India than it exports. So a stronger rupee would make Indian goods more expensive for US consumers, and it will lead to a decrease in imports from India. The another potential impact on the Indian economy would be on foreign investment. A weaker rupee will make Indian assets cheaper for foreign investors, which leads to an increase in foreign investments in India. And also because of the weaker rupee, foreign companies are able to get cheaper labor from India in comparison to other countries. Like if an Indian employee who has been working for a foreign IT company gets 80,000 rupees a month, the company will only have to pay $1,000 to him. And if dollar and rupees become same, these companies will surely leave India, as there is no such gain left for those companies. And with this, millions of Indians will lose their jobs and unemployment bubble will blast in the country. Now, which is the better option for our country to focus on? Like increasing the value of the currency or let it decrease? For that, you should understand that if a country is focusing more on exports exports, the currency value of that country should be low in comparison to other currencies. Like China, who manufactures and exports more, and also its currency value is low in comparison to the countries like US, so that more countries with stronger currencies can import goods and services from China. Similarly, countries like US import more than they export. Hence, these countries will prefer their currency's value to be higher than other currencies, so that they can easily import goods and services from other countries. Now, if we talk about India's perspective, its imports are always higher than its exports, which leads to a trade deficit for India. And at the same time, Indian's currency's value is not healthy in comparison to other currencies, which is a bad sign for an importer country. That is why our government is focusing more on initiatives like Make in India, startups, or to have more exports for the country. The RBI announced dollar-rupee swap facility to support pre-shipment export credit in foreign currency. And also the government is focusing on electric vehicles with the target of capturing EV market for 30% of private cars, 70% of commercial vehicles, and 80% of 2 and 3 wheelers by 2030. Through this, the imports of crude oil, which is one of the biggest imports for India, will get reduced. So as soon India is able to export more than its imports, I don't think there would be any big challenge for India to have lower rupee valuations in comparison to US dollar. So I hope you could understand that what are the pros and cons of having dollar's value equal to Indian rupee. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends, and also hit the like button so that this video could reach out to more people. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. See ya.